Hello guys, and this is JL_love, and welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna teach you how to remove your background using PICSART. So if you don't have yet PICSART, you're gonna install it. So how to install it, your PICSART, just go to your Play Store and just type PICSART like this, okay? Then so I have already PICSART on my phone, so I'm gonna open it. Okay, so now we're here in the PICSART. So what you're gonna do, just click the positive sign down. Okay, then you're gonna search background. It's up to you. We have a free background, free photo background, or you can search in the Google if you want another kind of background. So for me, I will choose this one, I think. Okay, free photos, because there's a lot of photos you can search in Google, so it's up to you which one you like. So now I got my background. So what we're gonna do next, we'll go to add photos. Okay, we will take one of our photo. Okay, so I will choose which one. I'll choose this one better. Okay, my picture, and click add on the top. So now my picture here, so you can zoom it and you can rotate it. Okay, so now how to remove the background of your picture. So you're gonna go here in the cut out, just click the cut out, and after that you go to person. Okay, click the person, then you will see that it has a shade of red. Okay, so some part doesn't have shade of red. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the restore. Okay, you will see, you will find here down restore. Then you're gonna shade it by your finger like this, what I'm doing now. Okay, so it will be include in the cropping. Okay, to cut your picture nicely. Okay, so now I shade already my picture. So now you're gonna click the save on the top. You will find save, just click this one. Okay, now we already removed the background, but some parts are not yet removed. So what you're gonna do, you can zoom this one, zoom out by pinching out by your finger to your phone screen. So how to remove this one, the remaining background? So you're gonna go to the top, you will find an eraser. You're gonna click this one, the eraser, and just shade it. Now I'm removing the some parts that not removed. Okay, so that the picture will be look nice. Okay, so that's it. So if you're done already, you remove the remaining background. So you're gonna click the check. Okay, on the top. Okay, so means it's done. Then you just pinch it. Okay, so that you can zoom in out your picture using your thumb and your index finger. Okay, so now it's okay, but still have here down, so you can click again the erase and remove this. Okay, so that it will look nice. Okay, so if you're done, just click the check again and just use your thumb and index to zoom in and zoom out. So now it's okay, my picture is already okay. If you're not yet done, don't ever click the check on the top. Okay, if you're done, you can already click the check on the top, because if you click already the check on the top, you cannot edit anymore your picture. Because for now, for example, I want to make it shadow on my picture. Okay, you go to the shadow, you see this one, just click your picture and click the shadow down, so you can put some shadow on it. Okay, position of the shadow like this, or on the vertical, it's up to you. Where do you want to put your shadow? You can change color also of your shadow. You can put red like this. Okay, just a moment. Okay guys, so that's it. It's up to you what kind of color your background you want. Okay, so I hope you learn again on my tutorial on how to remove the background So just comment below if what you want to know about in picture arts, and I will make a video tutorial for you. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, jdel_love, and of course just click the bell to notify for any upload video. Okay, thank you very much.